Hey guys, Ribsicle here. We're gonna go outside and check the plant out. So, look at, I took off all of this stuff, guys. Look at, we got a melon. We got a melon. Oh, cool. So, I've been cleaning it up. Took all of that off. I'm still not sure what direction this channel... Oh, look at, there's Gingy. What direction this channel's going yet, guys. It's a little bit of everything, but, it's been a lot of work so far. I'm trying to stay busy on all the platforms, so it's hard to get content up on all of them. But, ooh, look at those over there. Oh, don't hold those. But yes, guys, look at, I finally did it. So all I did was, like, I took one of the male flowers. I can find one. See, like that. I took one of them. And then I kind of just opened that up. And then see, that could be a melon right there. And then I just kind of like, I don't know, just shook it in there and tried to get whatever is in there. And it's actually worked. So we got a melon going. We're going to hit it with a little bit of water. No, you don't need to go outside. You come right back in instantly. It's crappy out. 18 degrees out there, guys. 6.0. I only got one hand here. I didn't put my tripod, so... this has got a good dose of calcium in it. Look how crappy it is out today, guys. It's cold. And I give it a top dress of Guy Green not long ago, so it should be good for now. And there's Gingy back again. Pretty cool stuff, guys. I was starting to lose hope, and we actually got a melon. I think that is the most cool thing ever, man. You guys should try this outdoor. Freaking goddamn new way. But yeah, all the channels are booming. You guys are freaking amazing, man. Let's hope everything goes good. I'm obeying all guidelines, being super good, super careful. Not much more I can do. I freaking love you guys.